Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will start lesson number 1, the sentence of our English grammar book. Before starting this lesson, we must know about a word, a letter, and a sentence. So, what is a letter? We all know that we have 26 letters in English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, and U, and rest are consonants. So, first we must know about a letter. I am going to read a sentence. Ravi is a boy. In this sentence, I am taking a word Ravi, R-A-V-I. Look, there are 4 letters in this word. Letter R, letter A, letter V, and letter I. And all of them make a word Ravi. And Ravi has a sense. This word has a sense. It is the name of a boy. So, Ravi is a word. In a similar way, there are 4 words in a sentence. In this sentence, there are 4 words. Ravi is a boy. So, when a group of letters written in a certain order which makes complete sense is called a word. जब कुछ लेटर्स एक सीक्वेंस में लिखे जाते हैं, यानी कि एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखे जाते हैं और वो हमें कोई मतलब बताते हैं, तो हम उसको वर्ड कहते हैं, शब्द कहते हैं. बिल्कुल इसी प्रकार जब कुछ शब्द एक सर्टेन ऑर्डर यानी कि एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखे जाते हैं और वो हमें कोई सेंस देते हैं, कोई अर्थ बताते हैं, उसका कोई अर्थ होता है, तो वो वाक्य कहलाते हैं. सेंटेंस 2, he reads the book. There are 4 words in this sentence. He reads the book. वह किताब पढ़ता है. She will come today. वह आज आएगी. It gives us a complete sense. So it is a sentence. What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Gives us a complete sense. But it is a question sentence, means interrogative sentence, because it asks a question. May I come in, please? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? It is also a sentence. It gives us a complete sense. So in short, when a group of words written in a certain order which makes complete sense is called a sentence. शब्दों का कुछ समूह जब एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखा जाता है तो और वह हमें पूरा उसका अर्थ बताता है तो वह वाक्य कहलाता है. Now look at the following sets of words. चलो अब हम नीचे लिखे हुए कुछ शब्दों के सेट्स को देखते हैं, समूह को देखते हैं उनको. This is what? A question occurs in our mind. What? यह है. हमारे दिमाग में इसको पढ़ते ही एक प्रश्न आया, क्या? It means it is incomplete. It does not give us a complete sense. So it is not a sentence. Ravi's book. What? So it also not gives us a complete sense. It is also not a sentence. She will. Not gives us a complete sense, so it is also not a sentence. My name, it is also not a sentence. The above groups of words do not make complete sense. ऊपर जो वर्ड्स के समूह दे रखे हैं, शब्दों के समूह जो दे रखे हैं हमें, इनसे हमें कोई भी पूरा अर्थ नहीं निकल के आ रहा, पूरा अर्थ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, इसीलिए यह वाक्य नहीं है. वी मस्ट ऐड सम वर्ड्स टू मेक कंप्लीट सेंस. लेकिन अगर हम इसमें शब्दों के कुछ समूह जोड़ दें और उनका अगर अर्थ निकल के आता है, तो ये जो अधूरे वाक्य हैं, वह पूर्ण वाक्य यानी कि पूरा वाक्य बन जाएगा. अभी हम इनको वाक्य नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन अगर इनका मीनिंग निकल के आता है, अर्थ निकल के आता है, तो ये वाक्य बन जाएंगे. लाइक दिस इज, इफ वी ऐड a ball, so this is a ball. Now it gives us a complete sense. यह है एक बॉल है. It becomes a sentence. Ravi's book is red. रवि की किताब लाल है. It also gives us a complete sense. Now it becomes a sentence. She will come today. वह आ जाएगी. It gives us a complete sense, so it is also a sentence. My name is Ram. मेरा नाम राम है. It also gives us a complete sense, so it becomes a sentence. Keep in mind, we must follow some rules in making sentences. Like every sentence should start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or question mark. Look, sentence 1, Ravi is a boy. In this sentence, R is capital and it is followed by, this sentence is followed by full stop. In this sentence, what is your name? First letter is capital and it is followed by question mark, because it is an interrogative sentence and this is a statement. So students, we should do some practice